watermelon mango milk bowl or watermelon mango milk crush, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the summer recipes and one of the most unique of the mango recipes and one of the most different of the watermelon recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the crush recipes and one of the most unique of the bowl recipes. Today we're going to make watermelon mango milk crush or watermelon mango milk bowl. We have taken the red portion of the watermelon, which we have separated from the shell or the green portion, and we're going to crush the flesh. Thoroughly crush. Now put in the pieces of mango which we have cut into very small pieces and crush it along with the watermelon pieces. Crush the mango pieces thoroughly. Do this until all the mango pieces are crushed and thoroughly mixed with the watermelon pieces. Put in 3 to 4 spoons of sugar. You can make it more or less. Mix in the sugar. Until it's nicely and thoroughly mixed. Make it into a smooth and uniform mixture. Now pour in the milk, around 100 to 150 ml. Mix in the milk. The rest of the mixture. Thoroughly mix. Until the mixture is nicely mixed and even and smooth. You can use honey if you want instead of sugar. Thoroughly mix in the milk. Now the mixture has become nice and smooth, and this can be served in the bowl and is a refreshing drink for hot summer days. You can add ice if you want. This is the final watermelon mango milk crush or watermelon mango milk bowl. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the watermelon recipes and one of the most unique of the mango recipes and one of the most delicious of the crush recipes and one of the most different of the milk recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the bowl recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.